Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together, hands by your sides. Now bend your knees and hold the ankles. While inhaling, raise the thighs, head and chest as much as you can. Try to maintain the weight of your body on the lower abdomen. Look upward and breathe normally. Maintain the position as long as you can. Hold and slowly come back to the original posture. Lower the legs, hands and chest. Dhanurasana strengthens the back and abdominal muscles. It relieves menstrual discomfort and constipation. Practicing dhanurasana daily can help people with kidney disorders. It improves blood circulation